Dash camera video of a dramatic water rescue during the deadly severe weather that hit parts of Georgia last week.
Yeah, in Dawson County here, 2 sheriff's deputies rescued 2 children and 2 adults trapped inside a flooded home. Fox 5's Brooks Honor spoke with the deputies about the heroic rescue.
Many law enforcement officers, just like the ones here in Dawson County, were preparing last Thursday for damage from that severe weather. But what they didn't expect was to perform a water rescue involving 4 people stuck in a flooded home.
I never expected to have a house being flooded with water. Never.
The 911 call came in early Friday morning as severe weather was heading into Georgia.
She told me that her mother was there and her 2 children were there with her, and water was flooding into the home. And I said, how deep is the water getting? And she was like, it's rising up to my ankles and it's getting deeper.
Dawson County Sheriff's deputies Brendan Jordan and Tally Redmond were both working together that night. Once they got the call of 4 people, including 2 kids, trapped in a flooded home, they rushed to the scene.
I believe the call came in actually that she believed somebody was trying to break into the house, and then it turned into the house was actually rapidly filling with water.
Dawson, the lake is completely flooded crossing the driveway. We're going to have to be on foot.
When Redmond and Jordan got to the scene, floodwaters blocked the driveway of that home. That forced them to leave their patrol cars and wade through that water.
We got there, the lady came to the door. I told her not to open the door because the water was much deeper outside than it was inside the residence.
The deputies learned the family in the home was visiting from out of town. Dash camera video captures the moments deputies Jordan and Tally waded through the flooded driveway to bring those kids and their family to safety.
Hey darling, how are you?
They were fine. They were cracking jokes the whole time. We were keeping them calm, making sure that they were, not going to get wet.
Thank y'all so much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. The video has also gotten attention on social media. Deputies Jordan and Redmond say it's a morale boost to have support coming in from their community.
Anybody want a moon pie?
That positive feedback really just helps us a lot to wake up every day and get ready to come to work.
Fortunately, no injuries were reported in that incident. The deputies were also able to get the family a hotel where they stayed that night. Reporting in Dawsonville, Brooks Honor, Fox 5 News.